Tower, medevac, Star Trek 225, ready 26 left.
Star Trek 225, Spirit Tower. Fly runway heading, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 26 left, runway heading, medevac, Star Trek 225.
Contact signals departure.
Departure, see you next time, medevac, Star Trek 225.
30 seconds here, runner check.
Okay, 63 Mike Victor, Spirit Tower, roger, let me know when you're ready.
333 Mike Victor's ready for departure. 26.
And Honker, 3 Mike Victor, roger, thank you, fly runway heading, runway 26 left, full length, clear for takeoff.
Runway heading, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff. 339.
Okay, 3 Mike Victor, contact St. Louis departure.
65333 Mike Victor, have a great week.
Spirit Tower, clear track 1045, home support 26 left, heading 240.
Check 1045, Spirit Tower, on course southwest approach, runway 26 left up to clear for takeoff.
Approved, 26 left, clear track 1047.
Jet 328 Spirit Tower, traffic 2 miles west of the field, southwestbound, a Seminole, fly runway heading, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
Heading 26 left, clear for takeoff, 6.
328, contact St. Louis departure.
Departure, executive 320.
Tower, medevac 220, Papa Fox, on the visual, 26 left.
Medevac 220, Papa Fox, right, Spirit Tower, runway 26 left, cleared to land track, departing prior to arrival, Phenom.
And 26 left, 220, Papa Fox.
You can continue taxi via Alpha, and where you going?
Continue our taxi to Alpha to signature, sir, 220, Papa Fox.
And Honker 0 Papa Fox, roger, thank you.
Spirit Tower, Caravan 227 Gulf Hotel's with you for the visual 26 left.
And Caravan 227 Gulf Hotel, Spirit Tower, enter right downwind, runway 26 left. Runway 26 left, clear to land.
Right downwind 26 left, 227 Gulf Hotel.
And Caravan 7 Gulf Hotel, right at Alpha 6, where did you wish to park?
SAS ramp.
And 7 Gulf Hotel, right Alpha 6, SAS, taxi via Alpha, taxi lane Bravo, you can remain this frequency.
Yes, via Alpha Bravo, remain with you, 227 Gulf Hotel, thanks.
Fish 115's with you, turn left base, 26 left, visual.
Fish 115, Spirit Tower, runway 26 left, clear to land.
And 26 left, Fish 115.
Fish 115, 4 taxi via Alpha, you can remain this frequency.
444 with you, route Fish 115, thanks, have a good night.
Clear track 102, runway 26 left, clear to land.
In Tower, Crew Track 102, just let you know we're taxiing over to Aero Charter prior to the white ramp.
Track 102, roger.
Commerce Bank 1, ready for departure, runway 26 left.
Commerce Bank 1, Spirit Tower, hold short, runway 26 left, approaching the I-4 release still.
Short, 26 left, Commerce Bank 1.
Commerce Bank 1, fly runway heading, runway 26 left.
Runway heading, clear for takeoff, 26 left, Commerce Bank 1.
And Commerce Bank 1, contact St. Louis departure.
Departure, have a good evening, Commerce Bank 1. Tower 540, Mike's with you, visual 26 left.
Embraer 540, Mike, Spirit Tower, runway 26 left, total land of 1.
Total land 26 left, 40 Mike.
Good afternoon, Citation 323 Alpha Delta. Is on the base for runway 26 left.
Citation 323 Alpha Delta, Spirit Tower, runway 26 left, total land.
Clear to land 323 Alpha Delta, thank you.
Twin Diamond 137 Papa Sierra.
Twin Diamond 137 Papa Sierra, Spirit Tower, runway 26 left, clear to land number 2, following a citation, short final.
And 26 left Papa Sierra.
Low altitude alert, November 137 Papa Sierra, check your altitude. Spirit Airport is at your 12 o'clock and 6 miles. Spirit altitude is 2980.
Go inside Papa Sierra.
Diamond 7 Papa Sierra, roger.
Here for Papa Sierra.
And Twin Diamond 7 Papa Sierra, roger. Go ahead and continue down to Alpha 6, get you past some traffic on Alpha, and then Millionaire Taxi via Alpha. You can main this frequency.
Good Alpha 6 Papa Sierra.
Gateway 432, visual 26 left.
Gateway 432, Spirit Tower, runway 26 left, total land.
Left, clear to land, gateway 432. Gateway 432, make sure we're clear to land.
Gateway 432, A-firm, no 126 left, total land, wind 260 at 8.
Left, clear to land, gateway 432.
All aircraft information, uniform, current wind 260 at 8, altitude 2980. Gateway 432, Millionaire Taxi via Alpha, you're going to main this frequency.
Via Alpha with you, gateway 432, good day. Our gateway 651, visual 26 left.
Gateway 651, Spirit Tower, runway 26 left, clear to land.
Clear to land 26 left, gateway 651.
Gateway 651, right turn and contact ground point 7.
Turn call ground point 7, gateway 651.
Medevac Gaslight 7, visual 26 left.
Medevac Gaslight 7, Spirit Tower, runway 26 left, cleared to land.
Left, clear to land, Medevac Gaslight 7.
Gaslight 7, there will be multiple Cessnas off your right-hand side in the pattern, north side. No factor for you.
Okay, copy traffic, Medevac Gaslight 7.
That's 7, right turn off 8, contact ground point 7, no delay off the runway, please.
Alpha 8, ground point 7, no delay off runway Gaslight 7.
540 Mike, fly runway heading, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff, Falcon traffic, 3 mile final, no delay.
Runway heading 26 left, go 40 miles.
Zero Mike, we pass the traffic off to your right, no factor, contact St. Louis departure.
Departure 40. Evening Spirit, Falcon 264 Victor is on the visual, 26 left. Continue, 64 Victor.
64 Victor, Embraer traffic, departing prior to arrival, runway 26 left, cleared to land.
26 left, we're clear to land, 264 Victor.
Victor, right turn your discretion, contact ground point 7.
Next right here, and point 7, 64 Victor, next.
Parker track 669, establish ILS 26 left.
6669, Spirit Tower, how's approach terminate?
Stop, white ring.
669, roger, runway 26 left, clear to land.
Parker track 669 is actually going to full stop at yellow ramp for fuel.
69, roger. Track 669, exit Alpha 6, contact ground point 7. Traffic on 2 mile final.
Alpha 6, contact ground point 7, clear track 669. Tip.
Billiken 24, we're about 9 miles to the east, inbound for the option with uniform.
Billiken 24, understand you want the option, and do you want to stay in the pattern or depart?
Option, we'd like to just do a Tejago, then go back to downtown, Billiken 24.
Billiken 24, Spirit.
99.
In that case, make straight in for runway 26 left. Expect to follow Cherokee traffic at your 12 o'clock 2 to 3 miles, 1,900 in the straight in. Advise me to get them in sight.
Straight in for 26 left, and we do have that Cherokee in sight. They're looking 24.
24, roger. Follow that traffic and maintain visual separation.
Traffic, maintain visual separation. They're looking 24.
They're looking 24. Follow that Cherokee traffic, runway 26 left, cleared for the option. After the option, fly runway heading, and I'll call your turn out to the east.
Traffic, 26 left, clear for the option. After the option, maintain runway heading. You'll call the turn for 24.
Medevac 220 Papa Fox, holding short of 26 left at Alpha, ready to go.
Medevac 220 Papa Foxtrot, Spirit Tower, fly runway heading, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff, wind 270 at 11, gust 21.
Takeoff 26 left, runway heading 220 Papa Fox.
Zero Papa Foxtrot, contact St. Louis departure.
Order departure, have a good day, 220 Papa Fox.